Hey guys, a very good afternoon and welcome to my channel Mumbaikar. But today we are 1, 2, 3, 4 and me 5 going on a fucking small trip. We have Arvind there, Karan, Sunny right there, and the biker right there, Praveen. So let's continue this journey. This is a small tour that we're doing of Goa. This is the first vlog I'm doing actually of Goa. So let's go and see what are the places we are going to explore. We're going to Panjim also because there's a carnival band scene happening at the square in Panjim. So let's see and let's check out and enjoy this ride with us. I have Karan actually is going to be the cameraman for me. So he'll be holding the camera for us. The typical street side vendors like how you have in Bombay, the typical street side vendors are here as well. So you can see them over here. So this is the basic vada pav stall and stuff, and that is for shawarma now. So I was a little hungry and thirsty, so we stopped. Our first stop was basically at a small vada pav stall right there. I need to grab some tea and have something as well. So let's go and see how the vada pavs in Goa actually taste. Well, they say Bombay is very well known for its street food, its chai, its vada pav. Yes, that's basically rightly said because the taste that you would get in Bombay, the typical Bombay vada pav, is not available anywhere. That goes to even the Chinese food. I've tried it out. The street Chinese food that you get at Andheri bus stop, Andheri West bus stop, if somebody's familiar of that place as well, behind the church, and a few local vendors, and the taste in Goa, it's completely different. So we were on a hunt, or we were on this ride with all of my staff, wherein we were actually three of us were planned to go out because we did not know what to do as Monday being an off, and ended up at least 6 to 8 bikers, all of us going together. So we were like in groups of two, as you can see. That's Karan behind, we have Arvind on another bike, and we have Praveen at the back following us as well. We actually we were there to enjoy this week off together. So there's always a fuck up in the group, and yes, that is exactly what this person did. He's not filled the petrol in the bike, and now we have actually wasting time over here. But any which ways, we'll have a wonderful evening. Next time, I know, bring only those friends who are planned and prepared. Before heading towards Panjim to enjoy the carnival, we headed towards Rio Margos Fort. But unfortunately, the fort was closed by the time we reached there. We were approximately there by 5:45. It closed down. So we will actually try to get you a special vlog on that fort as well, because it's one of Panjim area's very well known fort, which oversees the sea as well, and you can also see Panjim from it. So this is just a few clips around Rio Margos Fort because unfortunately we were not able to go inside because it is closed, and there's a ticket counter actually to get access to it. You will see it in the next vlog. Very soon we will do a vlog over there as well. As the sun was setting, we were all in the mood to actually enjoy the carnival. Well, carnival is celebrated in Goa at least for 3 or 4 days, but due to COVID, this time the parades were not there in the major spots. So we were here at Panjim, to enjoy the Carnival Fiesta.
Give a round of applause to Regionals, come on! Are you enjoying? Say yes! Are you enjoying? Oh, that's so beautiful and feeling.
Viva
Love you so much! Viva Carnival to everyone!
I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Better when I'm dancing, yeah. We can do this together. And you feel better when you're dancing, yeah. She's got a smile that seems so real. Reminds me of childhood memories. Wherever we think was fresh like a brand new sky. Help me consider it. Takes me up the road. Girl, when I look at you, oh, I'm falling in love. Whoa, know that you look so fine. Whoa, girl, I wanna make you mine. Whoa, I want to be with a woman just like you.
Once again!
So guys, that was exactly how we enjoyed our off and our carnival over here at Samba Square. This has been a beautiful day. Of course, that is how Goa celebrates carnival. Same like the Brazilians and the Portuguese. So this is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and see you on the next video.